In today's video, I'll show you how to install Granola AI on Windows. So first, go ahead and open your browser and go to Granola AI official website. Once you're on the official page, look for the Download for Windows button and click on it. Now, just wait for the installer file to finish downloading. You can usually see the progress at your screen. Once the download is complete, click on the file from your download section to start the installation. After that, wait for it to finish. It should only take a few moments. Once everything is done, the Granola app will automatically open on your computer. From here, you can log in using your account and you're all set to start using Granola AI on your Windows device. And that's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to install Granola AI on Windows step by step. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.